Nice one there.
Hey guys.
Produce fruit. That's all it.
Okay.
Hey, this is Dwayne from Phalia's Creations. Sabrina wanted me to show you our new solder kit.
It's fresh out of the bag.
So y'all are seeing it for the first time, same as me.
Tell them what we paid for it.
I have no idea what we paid for it.
You looked at it already, Dwayne. It was $8.
Well, I've seen it, but it was $8 apparently.
From eBay. I'm still
From eBay.
I don't want to have to edit my voice out.
Okay.
To be a big boy, talk about everything.
Alright, this is a desoldering pump. It's interesting. So if you get too much, you can actually suck up the excess solder with this.
That don't make no sense.
You just get it hot and get it running and then suck it up with that.
Okay.
And this is the little stand.
You can open it.
Needs some assembly required. So I'm not going to go into all that right now. But you can see the picture. And a few miscellaneous tools. Some tweezers. And some little
people see it.
Scrapers and small hand tools, screwdrivers. I have to look at the instructions for some of this. What the heck is that thing? Yeah, well, looks like it's not supposed to be like that. Different little scrapers that looks like different sizes.
Is that a guitar pick?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but I'm pretty sure they're not sending us a guitar pick. Although it does greatly resemble a guitar pick. Same for that one. So we'll have to read the instructions that come with it, I guess. Although I don't see any instructions.
What's that?
These are a couple of very small screwdrivers for, I guess, for little small electronic, it's for electronics. Little electronic screwdrivers, I guess.
Oh.
That's what it's mainly for, is doing circuit boards, computer boards, things like that. A couple of little small 3 different heads. And the solder gun itself. Thought it would come with multiple heads, but well, I think that may be them.
You did a great job going through all of that.
Let's see what this is. No,
Good.
that's
Open it up all the way.
That's some sort of little paste, and
What the hell?
since I don't read Chinese, I'm going to need to figure that part out, I guess. Anybody know Chinese? You know Chinese?
You're moving it.
Feel free to decipher that. I could have that upside. Maybe I get that upside down. Let me try. Is that any better? Oh, that makes a lot more sense. If I'd have just turned it that way, I would have been able to read it. Obviously not. Now this is probably some sort of flux, I guess. That's what my guess is. It's just some sort of little paste flux. Would be my guess.
What's that?
Which part? Which part?
Where's in that bag right there?
This. I'm pretty cool. We got a little small thing of small gauge wire.
Is that flux?
Looks like it's flux. It's not flux. It's solder itself. I don't know if it has resin in the core or not, but it's pretty small gauge, probably 24 gauge. Which, for some of the heavier stuff, this is useless, but we may need it for other things. So we have a much heavier gauge that we have to use for some things. This is probably a little insulator board of some sort, would be my guess. It's kind of what happens when you buy these things online from China. Unless you speak Chinese, you don't really.
I got that from the United States.
Yeah, well, it came from China.
Right.
You may have got it from the United States, but this is made in China. Got Chinese writing and the whole 9 yards. You can see there's some more Chinese writing.
Don't move it around in a circle.
Alright. Well, I'm not real sure what Sabrina wants me to go over else with. So, I guess that's it. Thanks for checking out our video. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Dwayne with Falia's Creations. Keep beating.